Hey kids, are you ready? Let's learn the names of the animals. A is for alligator. B is for butterfly. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for xenops. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos.